Okay, so here we have the daily chart of TENX pay. And I just want to take you through the basics of what I've done here. So I've labeled wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wave 5 is extended. And that is something that's been very common for cryptocurrencies. And in stocks, usually it's the wave 3 that is extended. But more and more so in cryptos, I'm seeing the wave 5 to be extended. And I am doing this so that you can, and for myself as well, to consistently keep in mind of this. Because even now, sometimes I think, oh, we're on wave 3 of 3 of 3, and so I want to get very excited, but I should rather say I should be wave 3 of 5, where the most likely extension should be. The requisite ABC, so here's a motive of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. Requisite motive of ABC correction is labeled as well. The key question here is the C wave correction done? This is clearly a zigzag. To do that, here is a shorter term 7-day chart. So here's the corresponding C wave that you saw here. I believe it's about pretty same location. If this is a C wave, then the first sign of a trend change has to be 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correction to 2. And I believe we may be on the onset of 3. So if this is the 1 of 3 possibly. So to label it, could be like so. So that's wave 1. Two. And 3 could be up here. But from a trend pattern perspective, I'm discerning a pattern as you can see here. So I'm sure you can probably already see it, but I'll label it here. If I see a left shoulder, the right shoulder will be forming, and the head peak bottom should be formed. It has been formed already. Okay. Minimum target will be take that same line of length, assuming that it'll hit here. That will be the equivalent of the minimum target. So I'm using PowerPoint here because TENX is not listed on Bitfinex, and no other exchange that I have allows the labeling. So ideally the right shoulder should finish, climb up, and bust through the neckline, like so. Okay? So the fact that this head and shoulder is forming, it gives me additional confirmation and probabilistic that it is finished. The C wave is done. Okay? Have a good day.